All right, let's talk about your feet, or more importantly, how your feet should be positioned. So we're going to start with tripod weight distribution or tripod contact points. So by tripod, we mean your heel is 1 point, the big toe mound, and the little toe mound. So all 3 points. First, let's start out with roughly even weight distribution across those 3. So I found my tripod. Now what a lot of people will tend to do is, even with the tripod, we're going to see the ankles angling in. In some cases, the arch of the foot may actually flatten out onto the floor or whatever surface you're on. So once you have your tripod, let's go ahead and pull your toes up as far as you can. That's going to automatically engage the arch of your foot or short foot posture. Now from here, I've actually lost the contact with my little toe mound, so I'm going to rotate the ankles outward, really to a neutral position until I feel that contact point. So now I have heel, big toe mound, little toe mound with my toes pulled up. Maintaining the position of my ankle and my foot, I'm simply going to allow the toes to rest back down and then hold the rest of this position. So with any exercise you do, you should start the process from proper positioning of your foot and then move on up the rest of the chain. So keep in mind, your foot's in contact with the ground or the floor, and it relays information up the rest of the chain. So with proper foot position, not only are we going to be more robust with the foot, we're going to dissipate forces much more efficiently, we're also going to get better activation and recruitment up into the hips, and really the rest of the chain is going to work much better. So whether you're doing a bilateral exercise or unilateral, I'm still going to go tripod weight distribution, toes up, roll out and find the little toe mound, and then gently rest the toes, and now I have the proper foot position. So ideally what we want to do is, once you have that, any exercise you're doing, your range, your load, whatever you're doing should be dictated by your ability to maintain that position. So a lot of times we get into, oh my gosh, now I'm going to go with a heavy weight, an RDL, a squat, something like that, and all of a sudden the feet cave in, we're spinning out because we're so concerned with moving weight that we're not thinking about how the weight's being distributed through our feet. So let's go ahead and create a nice stable base, maintain that base through any exercise you're using.